What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage coming to you today with a new auction find. It's Father's Day, so got a gathering of the fathers. There's my dad's truck, the 17 GMC Sierra. Even my aunt's here. No, she's not here. Her son's borrowed her car. His car got stolen and crashed. Interesting story. But this is this right here is a new auction find for us. This is a 2009 GMC Yukon Denali that has had some tasteful modifications. It's got the later model rims on it. And it looks like it has a little bit of a lift, like a 2-inch lift. It's got some Toyo open country tires, look pretty good all the way around. And there's no power, what are those called? That go right there. Side rails or sideboards. I can't think of the dang name. These Denalis, I believe, came with power running boards. That's it, running boards. And this one has none. So I guess they've been removed. This is a clean truck, and it's really pretty. The paint shines and looks so good, but then of course you come here to the hood and you can see it's got the typical GM, paint toast, and of course it's got it up on the roof too. So we're going to wet sand this and either just spray paint it with some black gloss paint, or I may order some of that paintscratch.com matching black and clear coat it, just a homemade job, because this thing was cheap, y'all. Cheap. Unbelievable Carfax, one owner Carfax, 83 service records on the Carfax. 83. One owner. Traded in Murfreesboro Chevrolet Buick GMC up in Tennessee. Brother got to drive it, check it out. I didn't go on this little trip with him. I don't like to go up there that far. Chill. Hi. I'm doing a video. Got the power tailgate. Got the it came with this cheesy steering wheel cover, which we pulled off. Got the third row, which of course you can see is folded up. The tailgate works pretty good. She's pretty clean on the inside. Door panels look good. Seats look good. Got a little staining that we need to clean and work on. Headliner, good. Got the factory DVD. Got heated captain's seats and climate control for here. Nice WeatherTech mats, which is always a good sign. Just needs a little cleanup. It's got some staining here and there. A little staining down there. But look, the seat's not in shreds. Just needs a little bit of cleaning. Let's fire her up. Now, anybody that knows anything about this generation of Yukon or Suburban or Tahoe know that these dashes are brittle and just crack and fall to bits. And this one's been replaced. See, it's got a cover. And it looks really good. You can see there's the line, but yeah, they fit really well, and they sure do fix the ugly problem that these things have. All right, let's do a crank up. As you can see, 260 on the miles. Just fires right up, y'all. We got the navigation, Bose sound, good cold AC. Good running V8, man. Good running. It has the 6.2 V8. Man, that thing is a beast. Now, you know, you're not going to win any drag races with it. But coupled with this good old 6-speed, bulletproof GMC automatic transmission, these things are pretty damn good. Pretty damn good. Let's take her for a little drive out on my favorite route. So yeah, this one, it's got the sunroof. So this one was, like I said, it's one owner, no accident, just gobs of service history on the Carfax. It's recently had a lot of, let's see, what was it? Valve cover gaskets, exhaust manifold stuff, just a lot of different work, a lot of recent work done, and no check engine lights. I mean, and it shifts and it runs and it drives great. Now with this little lift it's got on it, and it rides a little rougher than probably your typical stock Denali of this time would ride, but it looks pretty cool. The trade-off is worth it. My brother just drove it down here from Chattanooga on the interstate. He said, man, it cruises 80, 85, no problems. Just a smooth runner. He said just a few rough spots on the interstate you can feel, but other than that, it's a good solid cruiser. And it's got good cold AC. Anyway, I'll get up here to our little 0 to 60 spot, and we'll do a little pull. Alright, let's get us a little 0 to 60 pull here. Oh yeah. Man, she's a hoss. I mean, this thing is a freaking hoss. Yes. Runs great. I mean, to have 260,000 miles, man, that's just unbelievable, dude. But these things will run. They'll run and run and run. What I'm curious about, and I asked my brother to send me the Carfax on it, I would be interested to see if this transmission's original. I would be interested to see on the Carfax if it shows a replacement or, a rebuild or something like that. At 260, I would think it might be getting close, but it shifts so good, but, it doesn't shift absolutely perfect like it's brand new, so it could be original. And if it was, that would be nuts. But it has shown history of transmission service, all the good stuff you want to see on these things. It's all on there, and that is great. I mean, man, I love that 6.2 motor. Just can't beat it. Such a great engine. Anyway, that about wraps it up. Just a quick little walk around and test drive of our 2009 GMC Yukon Denali. It's a shorty, not a long one. Got this thing for $5,000, which y'all might think, oh my God, I can't believe you paid that much. These things always bring money. They bring freaking money. They always do. This is probably the cheapest Denali I've actually ran across that does not have some kind of, either the dash is all lit up with warning lights, or, there's always some type of issue. And really all we've got with this one is just some paint issues. So, which we can kind of do a, homemade job ourselves of repairing, and that's what we plan on doing. Everything else on the truck works great. And it's in good, clean condition. So, anyway, that's it. 2009 GMC Denali, over $250K, man. $250,000. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate you watching. We'll see you real soon. Peace.